All right, so we have to convert 8 quarts to pints. So what we know goes above in our first one over 1. So you do 8 quarts. You can do QT over 1. Okay, what we're trying to get to is pints. So we want to cross off quarts, and what we're trying to get to goes on top. So that'll be pints. So we go to our conversion chart and look for quart and pints. Quart and pints, quart and pints. So in 1 quart, you have 2 pints. So one quart is 2 pints. So we cross off our quart, cross off our quart, and now we just multiply. 8 times 2, 16. 1 times 1, 1. So we get 16. So your answer is 16 pints.